Good afternoon. We're on our travels again, and we've just travelled down to Devon. We're at South Milton Sands. We've just driven down here to have a quick look round before we're allowed in our cottage. We're staying on the cusp of Dartmoor for the week, and during the next 7 days we are going to be exploring between Dartmoor and the South Devon coast. It's a little bit windy today. The last time we were down this neck of the woods we were in Cornwall. We're in the county next door, Cornwall. And we had a windy week then. But I think after today and tomorrow, I think we're in for some sunshine. So, let's go and have a look at a beach. We are here in South Milton Sands. And we're going to walk all along the coast. And we're going to end up in Hope Cove. Should be a nice walk. Here we have Hope and Hope Cove. Hope Cove viewpoint. Let's head on down into Hope. We all need a little bit of hope from time to time. Just admiring these little cottages. Very pretty. Looks as if you could rent them out and stay in one of them. Don't see many of these on your travels. That's very good. Okay, we're heading back and then we're going to find our accommodation for the week. We've just arrived at our accommodation and I thought I'd give you a quick tour around. It's on 2 floors. The lower floor we have our bedroom, which is really nice. I'll quickly show you outside. That's what it's like outdoors at the moment. Hopefully it will look very different in the morning. We have our bathroom. Let me take you upstairs. Hello. This is the living area. This is the kitchen as well. Look at the bread. I'm really impressed with the bread. And we've already had some. That's the reason why it's cut. Wherever we stay, there always seems to be a selection of books to read in case you don't want to go out. So if we're wondering where we want to go, there's plenty of ideas here.